really boost some of the mids and the lows. What's really making this sound work really well is this plugin. So what this is a delay plugin that pitches the delay up or down every time it plays. So first delay will be pitched up. Let's say for this instead, for example, it might be like down 3 semitones. The delay after that, it will be down another 3 semitones from that. So down 6 semitones, and then so on and so forth. So what's happening here is I have a really short delay time, and then it's getting pitched down. So it sounds like this. So if I put the mix all the way up so we can have a listen to what it sounds like. Right, so you can hear the delay is super short, so it sounds like it's the actual sound itself, but it's basically pitching it down really fast, and that's how I got this cool sound. Right, so that is the way I created